welcome to SPS Trekking Club 30th Expedition 2017. We started our journey from Tangeer, and from Tangeer we took the trolleys. It took us 6 hours to reach the base camp of Chashi Top. From here, it will take 4 hours to reach the summit. It will be a joyful journey. Be with me. Standing off 4,400 meters here on Tangeer top, we have discovered two amazing lakes. One is on my right hand side and one is on my left hand side. They are called Chadar Lake and Shalwar Lake respectively. They have never been documented before, and it is a pleasure of SPS Trekking Club to have got this opportunity to show this world these amazing lakes through the lens of a camera, and we are very pleasured, and all the credit goes to SPS Trekking Club. And let's hope that the nature surprises us with these amazing gifts, unexplored gifts.
I'm called Ali Ibad, and I'm a beginner trekker in this trekking club. And in this trekking club we are having 60 members in this expedition, and out of these 60 members some are more than 60 plus, like Advocate Abdul Halim, and some are below 14, that are Mr. Mikat. But therefore age is just a number for trekking. All it needs is a passion and hard work. And as we are having 60 members in this land, so it was quite a challenge for all members.
Tangeer to Phandar expedition, the 30th from SPS Trekking Club. It was a wonderful experience. Wonderful in the sense that 60 members were part of this expedition, and Alhamdulillah, full discipline was observed, and credit goes to the group leader who managed this with this much skill, success and expertise.
Kade bachar tagar zabina da baran shpada. کډې بچر لګر زمینا د باران شپدا بیابان شپدا باران رورو پی ورګه د باران شپدا د بیابان شپدا د مسافرو او په یادېږي خپل کورونه د باران شپدا د بیابان شپدا د مسافرو ترکې د سری لکه د زرکې د باران شپدا د بیابان شپدا د مسافرو.
With the grace of Almighty, SPS Trekking Club have successfully accomplished this year's expedition. It's their 30th. The locality we experienced was very welcoming, very humble, very hospitable. They wanted to promote their place, their beauty to new tourists to come. We hope that new tourists from outside the country and inside the country as well to visit this beautiful nature which God has gifted us. I hope that I see you and you see me in the next expedition next year, inshallah. Thank you very much.